Once again, welcome to all of you. In the last video, we discussed question number 1. If you missed our video, we will give you its link in the I button. You can watch it by clicking on it. Today, we will discuss question number 2. What does the question number 2 say? 75% of a number increased by 5 equals the number itself. Find the number. Right? Means let the number be x. Right? 75% of a number means 75% of a number means x into 75%. Right? Increased by 5 means if we add 5 to it, then it will equal the number itself means x. Right? 75% means x into 75 upon 100. 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100 plus 5 is equals to x means 3x upon 4 plus 5 is equals to x, or we can say x minus 3 upon 4x is equals to 5. LCM is 4. 4x minus 3x is equals to 5 means x upon 4 is equals to 5. That is x is equals to 20. The number is 20. Let's check it. 75% means 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Means 15. If we add 5, then the number would be 20. Right? I think your problem must have been clear. If you like the video, please like and share it. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can be notified when the next video is released. Thank you.